Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shraddha. So today series I will talk about how to download the Eclipse on your operating system if you're using the Mac or Windows or Linux. So how you can use the Eclipse on your machine. So let's get started. First I will click Google Chrome and here download load Eclipse. So first we have to write down in this search bar download free Eclipse and just click first link www.eclipse.org and now I have to click. You can see it's navigated on this page eclipse.org/downloads and here you can see the Eclipse icon download ID package, and so I have to download this one. I will download this 64 and after that you can see this kind of page, and here it's giving the location where I am downloading, and I will click on this download option and it will start downloading here, and you can see it's downloaded. And thank you for your download, and you can see this kind of page here. How often would you like to sponsor? So if you want to give some donation to this Eclipse, so you will go ahead and give it to them, and you can see once you downloaded Eclipse on your machine, it will give you this kind of message. And now I have to see. It's already downloaded on my machine. Let me check. So before download Eclipse, you have to download Java. So Java should be on your machine, otherwise okay. So I just clicked on 3 times, I think that's why. And now you can see it is showing the installer, Eclipse installer. So Eclipse ID for Java developer and ID for enterprise Java and web developer. This is a C and C# developer. So I'm going to click on the first one, and here you can see I have already downloaded Java, and this is showing the default address JRE21 Java 21 plus VM. So this is the default location. I don't want to change it, so just click on install. Once I will install, it's install all the files in this location of the folder. This is the location and this is the Java where I downloaded. So this is the Java location and this is the Eclipse. Install process taking longer than use. Okay, couple of seconds and it's install. Launch. Now I'm going to click on the launch and it is going to launch the Eclipse ID, and this is the select a directory as a workspace. So I want to keep it this one, user. This is my workspace and I am going to launch it. I will click on the launch option. Now it's going to start Eclipse IDE. So it will take couple of seconds to open it or download. So you can see here I have already downloaded, so that's why this kind of dialog box will open, and there is two options: exclude Eclipse ID from being scanned to improve performance. So I will select this one and just proceed. Click on the proceed, and here it is asking to, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I say yes. And now it is open everything. So now you can see here I have already created in previous one folder here, and this is the folder structure. Or if you want, you can right click, select the option of new and Java project. So this kind of window will open, and you will create your project name here, and this is the project layout and module. So I have already selected the create module info Java dot file, info dot Java file. So that's just click on, or you can go on the file and click on new and Java project. So the same window will open and you will create the project. So there is two way. Either one, if you want to create, you can select one way. And SRC, you can see here SRC. Right click on the SRC, click on new, and we will create a class through the SRC. So this kind of window will open. So if you want to create a project, so there was another window which I have already showed you, and this is the another window when we create a class, Java class. So we need to give the name of the class here, and I will select this one. Whenever I will open, public static void main should be right on the main in the function side. So we will use this. So, and public, always it should be public modifier. There is public, private and protected. If I not select this one, okay, type name is empty because I did not put here the name, and superclass is java.lang.object, and if you want to browse, you can browse it like this. I'm just showing all the structure of folder structure here. In Java test, you will create a test here. This you can create a test. And preference, where is the preference? Okay, let me see. Project is there. The reference, okay, because I did not do anything, so that's why. And so this way you can download the Eclipse on your operating system. And thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe, share and like. And if you have any question, please write in the comment. I will give you the answer. So thanks for watching my video.